Ever wonder what the most common problems are with the 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla? Well, you're in the right place. First on the list is transmission issues. Drivers of these Corolla models have often reported experiencing rough shifting, jerking motions, or gears slipping. For some, these problems have surfaced as early as 50,000 miles. Next up is excessive oil consumption. A number of Corollas from this period have been known to consume more oil than one might expect between regular oil changes. If unchecked, this could lead to potential engine damage. Then we have steering problems. Steering issues have been reported by drivers, including stiffness, looseness, or strange knocking sounds when turning the wheel. These can be clear indications of potential hiccups within the steering system. Fourth on the list is water pump failure. When the water pump fails, it can cause the engine to overheat and potentially damage it, so it's certainly a problem to address promptly if noticed. Finally, we have issues with the interior material quality. Some owners have found the quality of the interior materials to be subpar, with complaints about dashboard cracking or early wear and tear of upholstery. In conclusion, while the Toyota Corolla from 2009 to 2013 remains a popular choice among many due to its known reliability, it's important to be aware of these common issues. Regular maintenance and quick response to any emerging problems can help ensure your Corolla stays on the road for many more miles. Remember, every car has its quirks. By knowing what to look out for, you can be prepared and enjoy a smoother ride. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more helpful car insights on our channel.